kayahay, nandito tayo na sa Indiran event 10th at mag-celebrate po tayo ng 50th service ng aking career. So dito tayo magsalo-salo, marami na kumisita, mga 400 guests. Kaya dito sa Indiran. Tara, let's go!
This spirit of creativity and innovation inspire us to pursue our dreams with fervor and determination. In your name we pray. Amen.
Para makita ka. At ito na, mag-abot at magpapalam mo. Sabi ni Rodi, may tumawag na magandang babae. Tapos biglang ginulpi ng 3 lalaki.
Mas magilas pa sa akin.
Easy Pro Sauces. Napakadaling gamitin. Napakasarap. Gawa ng pro para sa pro. Easy lang. Yum, yum, yum. Ping, ping, ping.
Ladies and gentlemen, once again, Chef Boy Logro.
Maraming salamat po, Sir Peter. At sa lahat ng mga bisita nandito, kay Ma'am Lolita, kay Sir Abeno, maraming salamat po sa inyong pagdalo. Sir Brian, my family, andito yung aking mga anak. So, kayong lahat, maraming salamat. Parang naiiyak ako. Parang, my journey is really, ang haba na nilakbay. At maraming salamat po sa Easy Pro at nagbigyan buhay ang aking journey. Maraming salamat po. Chef Tatong, and Chef Laudico, Gam Jackie, sa inyong lahat po, maraming salamat po. Hindi ko nagbabain sa aking mga anak dyan. Salamat po.
Not only your incredible culinary achievements, but also the gift of another year in your culinary life. Yes, everyone, we are celebrating 1 more year additional to the amazing golden years of him.
Thank you.
There you have it, everyone. A round of applause, please, for Chef. 50 years.
Congratulations, Chef Boy Logro.
Diba? 50 years in the culinary industry.
Diba?
Who would have thought, ma'am, no? Sa lahat, I think all of our attendees here, especially the chefs, would also want to reach 50 years in this industry.
Of course, and that's really not just a milestone, but really legend, di ba? 50 years.
Exactly, and another L. Aside from being a legend, you are also making a legacy tonight.
Yes.
A legacy for all of us, Chef Boy.
And another L, Lodi.
Diba?
Lodi Chef. Lodi Chef Boy.
At meron pa.
Sige, what's that?
L for Logro, diba? Chef Boy Logro. Para baka naman po natin.
Thank you, Chef.
Alright.
Everyone, good evening, Chef Boy.
Good evening po. Wow.
Long time no see.
Long time no see.
Yes. So we just had the pleasure of working with Chef Boy actually sa Bicol Wofex. Just to share an anecdote, last week, we were together with the team, EC, and of course our partner Global Pacific, Sir Fiend, Sir Brandon. So we were there. During the later part na ng days, afternoon na, everyone's a bit tired. So titinginan kami, mga taga-Easy, taga-Global, pagod ka na, pagod ka na. Oh, medyo. Pare, tignan mo si Chef Boy. Tinitingnan namin, nagpapapicture pa, and nagmamakarena pa. So that's how the energy of Chef Boy is really talagang magnetic and very inspirational. No? So, tinitingnan, pare, Chef Boy, tignan mo, nagmamakarena pa. So kami, nga, no? Lakad-lakad mo ulit. So, Chef Boy, truly an inspiration. It's really, you are an epitome of what perseverance and hard work is.
Thank you.
So, from your kwento of being slicing and dicing the onions, di ba? And to being who you are right now.
Thank you.
You are truly a rock star.
Thank you very much.
And with that, Kat,
Lovely thing about you, Chef, is despite of this very great achievement and the adoration of your co-chefs and co-workers in this industry, Chef, you're so humble. You're so humble, and that's really admirable of you. Di ba kasi 50 years ay hindi naman po biro, di ba? I remember kanina natanong ko kayo, Chef, do you see yourself retiring anytime soon, di ba? Ano po sabi niyo?
Walang hindi siguro mangyari na hihinto ako.
Hindi ka hihinto?
Magkakasakit ako. Di ba, Chef Lau? Magkakasakit ni Chef Tatong pag walang ginagawa.
Pag walang ginagawa.
Of course, all the things you want to say, especially the break is 50th year this very night.
Well, thank you to all you for celebrating with me. Thanks to Easy Pro for having me as your endorser. Easy Pro is made for restaurant. Kaya maraming salamat po. At hindi ko po akalain na maging ganito ang marating ko. 50 years, hindi rin siya biro. At sa aking journey, from the beginning, siguro, alam niyo naman ang buhay ko. From nothing to something. Bago ko narating ay marami din akong nadaanan. Maraming, alam mo na, pero tagumpay pa rin ako dahil I don't mind. Sabi ko nga, ano lang yan, paminta lang yan. So, nagpasalamat ako sa Diyos unang-una dahil binigyan niya ako ng buhay, umabot ako sa ganitong edad, at umabot ako sa 50 years. Siyempre, nagpapasalamat po ako, siyempre naman sa Easy Pro. Maraming salamat. Sa aking mga sponsor, maraming sponsor. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Yung aking kids home, nandyan po, Camel. So, lahat pa, marami pang ini-endorse. So, sa kanilang lahat, sa inyong lahat, doon ako kumukuha ng lakas. Kasi po, bawal tumanda, bawal din mahina. Kasi pag mahina ka na, maglalakad ka, kahit sa show ko. Kapag yung may TV show ako, lagi akong energetic. Kasi pag nakita ka na lago na, tatanggalin ka ng GMA. Kaya kailangan masaya ka lagi, be happy always. Yun ang secret ko ng buhay ko. I am still okay. 67, yan kaya pa. Maraming salamat.
67! Alright! Pero you know what, Chef? I don't see that you are 67 tonight.
Parang ano lang?
53.
53.
Diba?
Kasi yung mga kumari ko nandyan, maari ng El Cuartel Restaurant sa Batangas. Nandyan po sa Tanawan. Ayan yung kumari ko. Very supportive ko sila. Pasyal tayo doon sa El Cuartel sa Tanawan.
Ayan, punta po kami dyan ha. We'll go there.
Wait, it's a good place, Tanawan, Batangas.
Maraming salamat ulit. Maraming salamat po.
Ayan. Round of applause.
Salamat. Walang katapusan.
Yes, palakpakan naman po the one and only Chef Boy Logro.
Yes.
Applause everyone, come on!
Good evening, Sir Mark.
Hello, Sir Mark!
Hi, good evening everyone. Maraming salamat sa pagpunta nyo, no? Kahit na alam ko lahat tayo busy, and maraming salamat sa pag-celebrate natin kay Chef Boy. And Chef Boy, of course, I wish you another 50, 100, 150 years. Diba? Ibang konting story lang, no, kung saan kami nag-start ni Chef Boy. Nag-start ako ng Top Chef 2019. So, ang products namin is mga milk tea ingredients and coffee. And then, na-meet ko si Chef Boy, nag-collaborate kami for sauces noong 2022. And then, officially tonight, we are very happy to show you yung collaboration namin for a very long time. Ito na, ilo-launch na namin yung Easy Pro. And then, itong mga products ng Easy Pro is, kinollaborate namin ni Chef Boy na lahat is real spices and no artificial flavoring. So, Talagang ginawa namin ito ni Chef Boy para sa mga restaurants.
Wow.
Let's watch the PowerPoint. So sa Easy Pro, meron tayong mga sauces. Actually, yung sauces na ginawa namin ni Chef Boy is hindi siya ready to use na sauce actually. We want it to be a base na where restaurants and chefs can use it na pwede nilang mag-add, parang shortcut na siya. Made from real spices, and we want it to be as a base. So for example, you don't have to mix soy and toyo, tsaka sugar. So for example, sa sweet and sour, all you have to add is bell pepper, pineapple, and onion, and then this is a sauce para diretso-diretso yung luto natin, especially mga buffet. And then we also have powder mixes, java rice mix, gravy mix, salted egg powder mix, breading mix, garlic parmesan, snow cheese, and cheese sauce.
Easy Pro Premium Sauces na magpapasarap sa inyong chicken, beef, vegetables, kahit plain rice at noodles. Mapapayam-yam-yam ka talaga sa sarap. Napakadaling gamitin, napakasarap. Easy lang. Gawa ng pro para sa pro. Kaya ano pang hinihintay mo? Magping-ping-ping na! Easy Pro na yan! Made for restaurant, all new Easy Pro powder mixes na magpapasarap sa inyong chicken, beef, vegetables, kahit plain rice at noodles. Easy lang. Napakadaling gamitin, napakasarap. Mapapayam-yam-yam ka talaga sa sarap. Gawa ng pro para sa pro. Kaya ano pang hinihintay mo? Magping-ping-ping na! Easy Pro na yan! Made for restaurant.
Yay!
Ayan, maraming salamat. Nakita niyo na po aking ginawa. I hope you like it. Gutom na bang lahat? You feel hungry? Gutom na yung sumagot. Kain na lang. So yun, ang ginawa po ng Easy Pro, as mentioned Sir Lawrence, na collab kami. So ito yung maganda pong produkto dahil po sa mga catering or restaurant, hindi mo na kailangan gumawa ng maraming mise en place o yung mga bunto-bunto pakuluan para magkaroon lasa ng gravy. Ito na po lahat ng Easy Pro ginawa na namin para tulong sa industriya, restaurant or hotel, pwede rin po. Yes, madali lang gawin. Hindi mahirap gawin dahil kumain ka ngayon, bumalik ka next year, yung consistency niya ay nandoon. Ang lasa ngayon at sa isang taon pa ay pareho. Dahil pinag-aralan po talaga namin ni Sir Lawrence kung paano namin i-maintain ang consistency ng aming produkto. Ayan po. And guest natin dito, maraming salamat. Now, let's enjoy the feast. Everyone, tikiman time! Ping, ping, ping! Yum, 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 yum na! Kain na na!
Who could it be? Well, thank you so much to Easy Pro with the restaurant.
Our first winner, Edna
De La Cruz!
In those times, I remember yung mga executive chef, mga foreigners yan, yung mga Europeans, French, whatever, no? And executive chef of Diamond Hotel came out, and it was Chef Boy Logro. I was very, very impressed, and I was very proud that a Filipino chef is an executive chef of a fine or a five-star hotel like Diamond Hotel. So that's the first time I met Chef Boy, and I later on learned that Chef Boy pala is familiar with many international cuisines. And nakaka-proud talaga. But anyway, Boy, congratulations. And more power to you, my friend. See you.
Hello from Singapore. Hindi ata aabot ang aking aeroplano. So I wanna wish my idol sa kusina happy 50th anniversary. You know, Chef Logo is not a content creator. Hindi niya kailangan ng content. Buong buhay niya ay content. He was telling me from drawing yung mga gulay sa papel para mabili sa palengke up to being the chef of the Sultan of Oman. His life is really very, very interesting and very admirable.
Isang biyaya ng Panginoon sapagkat ngayon ay araw ng celebration ng iyong 50th na chef industry. Chef, naniwala ako para sa mga nangyari sa buhay natin. Simula noon, 10 taon din kasama tayo pare sa Diamond Hotel. Bilang kaibigan, bilang pagpare, bilang superior. Pare, binabati kita.
Sana marami kang ma-inspire sa iyo at sana patuloy kang tumulong sa mga tao. Sana kita-kita tayo sa susunod na mga event. Keep going lang. And good luck sa mga upcoming events mo. I know you're a busy person and I hope that we will see you soon.
Hi Daddy Lou, happy 50th anniversary. Thank you for everything. Thank you for everything, Daddy Lou. You're the best Daddy Lou in the universe. Love you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Uy, akala ko nagalag tayo.
Congratulations! Happy 50th anniversary as a chef. I'm so proud of you as the best father and the best chef ever that I have. So really ako nakarating na kaumutan na may importante ko trabaho sa farm. But anyway, I'm so grateful for you as my hubby. Thank you sa patience mo. Everybody knows that you are a humble person, generous, and hardworking.
Kaya palapakan naman po natin. And of course, congratulations again, Chef Boy Logro.
Yan, maraming salamat. Thank you po. Nakakaiyak talaga dahil sa tagal ng panahon na ngayon lang, parang first time ko marinig yung wife ko at saka yung aking apo, si Mama. So nakaka-touch kasi hindi ko akalain talaga na mayroong ganyan. Grabe, pinaiyak niya ko sa lahat. Kayahay, yan po ang aking celebration ng 50th celebration of my career sa aking pagluluto. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat sa pagdalo at God bless sa inyong lahat.